verify ama bibia atotona kwam. Adofo echichi ni benchen. I introduce to you Osofo Kyere Abosom. Apenikase. Mema akwaba.
Yenua.
Na bibia boko de.
Na me adom. Oguso emframa homi de.
That's right.
That's what you see there. Na je se wadom ye.
That's right.
Nti adom ane o.
That's right. And na wase pie Adom FM so.
Sanity.
Nti na say Adom no double. Adom ne double.
Yeah.
Na what's actually white? Reason I would actually white he anything.
And say minim say Nana Kufado call parliamenti. Woko can be papa bi. Na magana for ehunu se papa ba baby papa bi. Then so no okoya wanya bibi ankoka. Enso ankoka e bia nyansem bia emu edu bia chese defeat na egusu defeat na emu ano de wo chese enya de se obi pebi di magana ya na bribia no many gise Ghana for aso minsem wa mekemu enti bribia na nsem de me bibia mfa bia white ndi me shepa esanse Ghana fo nyina ehunu se enkwasem ni ya trase ejeja ehwo ache na omoni aba wo so enti bribia me bofufu si a na ye nigi a ahye me krama no enti ma me she white no if you say eno na bemma ahye me kran ehunu se Ghana fo omaji minsem wa meka no atum.
Fantastic. Na oko aprabo no ne one Ghana fo Asia na one Ghana fo dim komo no signa wo musi Jehova.
Juma fan.
Brakai. Obia no ewiase se obi anifra ne tia. In fact, ohwe enima mu yie ehun se time ne meni efra no. Na kufu abun kwase ache. Kufu adada mi ache. Iti ne pa se meni ada wo hun se kwase bu no bu meni de. Me fancy mu ni agro. Ya de Kwame Nkrumah ne ma pa be bibra chere Ghana for ya chere Ghana for.
Juma fan.
Ya chere Ghana for eni ma pa ya gya no mo bidi ka ko no ye.
That's right.
Eni ya sa chere Ghana for Nana Akufo-Addo. Ene mama ene ba umia na ene omo prikuku no. Omo gyanom aborom di bidi Ghana. Ene omo manom so to aso edi so ema omde ye fasa akwa no so. Eno na ye den di kira mansa na wansa so gitum se ne ye ka no eno kre izansa akwa te se ewiase no de agya no baye gya ho no ena eba eto aso
sa
enti se agya no ba ma wanfa hwe amoa Ghana ne ba no so ba onfa hwe amoa Ghana se agya no babu abia ene wo gina so ayi bibi agya no ba eno ono no be so aso a agyapade so a good eto dan wa bruchiri eto dan bi trante mu ma ne menyina dan mu tran enti no oba ne banso ba ono fi se ne papa to be maritim enu ti kra de ono no omfa ehu biem eso oginani wo de opebia enti Ghana for so mensem ne mu se NDC ne MPP omodi abro for 40 years omo mi ensesi form emranti wo krumu nyina obia abrabo ayebasa uti Brakai ube adwumai senka da afia ansa na bebe adwumai alopenka ko company bim ekutwa 3 hours simple agika krashe ho a enkeye nenso omde omosema ne se yenye company nti yama Ghana fu nyina brabo ayebasa.
Okay,
so of education sector minua yen insua de bia wo Ghana ha de good ye de day Ghana fu nkola nim bauxite ye de Ghana fu nkola nim se yekoko de ni man se ye de chocolate abe de ni man se de we enema bebiri wo Ghana ha esesan ke tumi edro curriculum no na etimi de cover ne man kora ne sua.
Okay,
ne ehunu se iron rods no se de bo na eye louvers ahwehwe ka ahwehwe se de bo na eye ne bo na de yin pon se be fafiri Ghana ha ene de kwa abrochiri ena abrochiri for kwa ye de aba me ato entidi bentina Kwame Nkrumah na ye jana obaji independence no obi aboso graph factory na sa glass wo nyina wo ye oyentoa we yen to me anso mu antoa so anye ni amagana fo nkola hunu se we ni adwuma esese ye ne mum no ye gya musa ne ba ende ni we yaba bisi bibi kakra bi we gya okọ we ba wontoa so ye gya okọ we ba wontoa so we diskana fa we difa we sa na da no omo hunu se me bie so no kofo hunu se da bi ya so de nyina o man no e butu
enti che se wo ko aprabo no utum se de wo ka no Ghana for atosum me pancho afena do afidie to her join me on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Mun join you on Facebook. Nana Kusi Cardinal say all future president. Raymond Abuaje says gum. Osofo say tell us your vision. Obekani vision is here. Still gum. And Samuel Mensah so dia be Vim, we day your back. Nana Kusi and Samuel Mensah says, what will he do with the free senior high if we vote for him? And Onunsu AB say, Asabia Jan says, gum. Please, what can you do to stop undermining people? What can you do to stop undermining people? Nabraku Finsu AB say, watching you live from Santor, Bright Major. Emilia Avo says, incoming president. Message is never Banadoswa and Kasabadam. Ebia bisa questions. Me patcho amon join you on Facebook. Why na mon share na tade crash otum CS papa de ne bi pa wa hwe ne white heavy one pa ye ne Osofo Kyere Abosom e na ye ne twetwe nkomo e wa ha obi a mention free senior high.
Yeah.
Oh, any plan?
Yes, a plan say want to say
still in the education sector.
Yes. Your plan say want to say per se a free crèche no. A copim JSS level no. Ye be no reading and writing, learning to read and write. If free you do JSS level.
Chiri me say mpacho.
If them say ye be ma intensively and kore hunu akenkane atro.
Okay.
If free crèche no copim so be do JSS level.
Okay.
Na o free hopa ni achichim. Ebinom ko ba bia isua train ehun niema.
Train honiema.
Okay. Ebinom ko ba bia gold ye de noma. Be ko ba bia ye de manganese. E de be iron rods.
Okay.
Ye de be nade.
Okay.
Ye de be we no ombeko.
Na eno no obesi hu schools ana.
Ni nyina ye benya ho schools. It is nursing training say ye ba be divide into the send say obeko nursing na wo ka kosua ebia eni enko aho dwuma na okosua we nso kwa kosua ebia etirimu ason ene hwene enti se bia obi ani mpo ene ya ofri school ba ne so no ofri se bia onko aba adwuma mu pa ono watimi bia ne small clinic a wo hwe ani nko a enti se onam krum ne se ofri se utimi efa ne hokrampo ekohwe wani a obetima kɔ ebitimi aboa ebinum kwa kosua se akoma entimu eniema ni mogemu
osofo de mentwa no o say nka ye wo China mamu anka ebetumi de be 10 days etumi de sidan e si hospital ne baby ankorokofo kwa kosua de ne ade but here is the case infrastructure ne ni enti how can you build all these things within 4 years near to me pacho ewo he
former president mama Odumfu Kumfu sana me friend Odumfu Kumfu obesi schools no bebrigurem bebrigurem
okwa apron when we say bebrigurem
president Kofo also bebesi affordable houses no bebrigurem
that's it
ye wo schools bebrigurem a yemfa yensankan and ye wo departments ni bebre wo no mo enso gurem efe bebre ebi kwa na university a mo ntimansi enwe gurem and ese gina so ne complete
no complete and over the roads ni bibia say na be accessibility call
beba afi so no there are certain time where ye many panko train school mu fra panko mo nyumre yemfa say Adom FM edem ha ye beti mama nipa abisha say abisua 3 hours course no oko another group beti me so about 3 hours no am so call in timely basis ebeba ya shadow at the time no ene owo lecturer oko no eye the oko any for no beba for 4 hours 3 hours they go next intino wetin say Adom hanko beti ma fa nipa 1000
see we ba no am call ombe am 3 hours no another
even baba na jo even baba 10 o'clock
all right
intino ebe koso amagana additional ebe very nko man have be busy it say Your manifesto the idea about say obi any woman na kotena ministry if na pa kopoma nyure
aden
yenya sa
aden tra
ye besiech ye chene pepepe ukọ enwumre 6 alko anopa 8 o'clock about 12 of you
okay
no obi suko take o police no onso nto aso ye adwuma
aden ti na wo ye ne sa
the ntia ye ne sa se bema efficiency what I say it's a Ghana for the young one say many people call no call adwuma ebo break 12 o'clock na and one no opie omni office okwai yes watum yes fa akoda ho enso wa madwuma yes oni ho enti office bia ni ho a ebe nipa ba ko dia it's supposed to be say office no nipa be mienu anamiensa be run ho
okay osofo yen free ho ne emra economics let's talk about unemployment
yeah
ene utie omampani kakra omampani chire mu se wo mo bae no mo atumi afa nipa over 2000 ne ada areas so employment akoso do wo mo agree MPP agree say a free 2016 eba be si 2019 the unemployment we na wasanka etumi teso mo no ase ekosoro
also my friend say 2000
according to the president a great minister ne other
for 2000
yes and over
and 2000 and over
yes
and mun kacha mampanyi nana do ma me say uti commander
because 2000 ne kra ne 2000 ne kra a segment because enka okay kakeka other areas ni nyina bubomu a 2000 mom de nyame anu kra ni eswa
ibo Commander Sugar Factory nkwa na kebefe nipa be 7000 de ono na ton ba ya wakoton de ama bruni no
yeah
na betima fe nipa be 7000 Commander Sugar Factory nyo ne CEO
that's right
what I say
that's right
enipa obe share Commander Sugar Factory ase Atamos onyankopon akwa ba akopɛ ɛna eja mama kumfudumfo enso beto aso no bia no en wo wie no na ye test sugar now akuafo a ewo mu a hwedifu akawuram o tiase wo mo anka beton paboa wo mo beton aduane wo ho wo mo nipa bi a ye betwe nsuo afiri ha kwa nipa be fa onka nyi nipa ketwa o tiase e dia na ka recommend sugar factory o beduru ya ankudu ba bia you are with 15 years akomo obi enu 15 years na do onya 91 years okowu enti wonwe Ghana for senka wo dwene Ghana for ho how can you
what the punchline pa
yeah how can you give a 15 years what the amount will be say omra merane me busa say enim die na ye ni ye de beye ene ekofa nim die fo bra ne ntua ne ka dance ye dia de ne be ma no
so
that is my problem
entino e kwan ben so na wo de be create employment say ne be unemployment situation
that is what I'm saying say ye buta ene say adie bia ye Ghana de bia no ye ma kosi bruni onu ye ma kosi bruni enka se onye na o me investment look at say and now my example ba
okay my example
ukodu Dubai omunya petrol
okay
Dubai nya petrol no hu say the petrol ye nyai esese bomodre copy machines ne ye be tu petrol no okoko free machines and what be say petrol na se o free machine be no copy experts obetua wonka and what first expect to petrol no tu wonka
eti osofo baby out na na ehona before so bella na because here is the case we are in a society unya be ye president na say unya ba be ye you want to give a positions to womo a unimu womo so to be home pa e bia na nka onyo no na ye the best of the best but because say bia oni nipa no na o campaign ni nipa no ti oni nipa na na ntini nti wo so person ye dey uye bibi na how are you going to also do that
sele osika say me ba ayimuna bedimechi a me do ben konkonsa minister obekọ round so adokuti no abeka kire me unya bibi no abeti no abeka kire sankofo no muhia pa ti efio enti se me do kokotena petrol roma no a ede na akoye no ho we ni konkonsa ho enti no ade ba ko no say ensesenka yebetumi ama expert yetua wonka ni amoma be yade no
but don't we have experts in Ghana?
No, listen to me me enfade yes ebi mo sua engineering mo sua we na so esenkinya additional one mo ma ye bi pen e de ba attach wo
okay
o tiase ni etua wonka no ma ya man hwe se Ghana enya petrol na yetima koma kosibru ni abase bra betu na me 11% na first kan ko okuru ase ne say so o te make ase se brabe 2 na me 11%. Dubai anya ne sa.
So it is a Ghana to Abama wa.
Yes sir.
Ye oil no.
Yes.
Wo ka say de ye nya ne sua.
Ye kwa kotrase. Ye be sign agreement for. Ye nyin tum sa. Se Ghana Japan
na logistically Ghana wo capacity those foreign entities gases wo mo withdraw mo services expatriates gas wo mo withdraw mo services Ghana betumi
me pacho withdraw services say yes ye mfa mo bie mu sa ye bom pa mo ma ya de na atua mo ka
ono so woni interest
any interest ni ye betra say agree say e de ne na kwa me kroma ba ye no agye bebre no mo wo companies o ka chem say Ghana for hia de muka mo boy na monka.
That's right.
Uja say muka mo bo nyina monka. Ye betu petrol no ye de tua mo ka mamo. Uja say ye betu petrol no ye de tua mo ka mamo. E san say Ghana japade de yintimi fam obi sa fe ofa say Ghana ayi akwasi bro ni ka cho say bomodra Nelly Kudeti o factories no farmer foreign investors now person che say obefa Ghana for ayenkoa. What I say, if you say one, Obi any wusika how bit matter the easy company of Ghana. E just a Bruni beto. Bruni beton so any ekwa adwuma ma no. What I say, e pasa na ni ayenkwa. Enti adenti ene ye maintain ni efisi enim ho adwuma ya. Yenko fanko forma ni ntu amoka bosome. Na ye na kaso mo nya adwuma no fama ye. Ni enyi esfa so. Na mu ya dan de ma on. Fiase sese ye de asase. Ni etwa makosi Bruni. Na wo to good. And now branch be ujina mrebim Bruni China phobia koto ayi land unto good na buobi we you chat chere me Osofo me enkwahye me
eti galam say issues no be dey afa ho
yebetu
obe ne dey
yebetu
obuka so obetu a wo pa chese
yebetu galam say no Ghana yebetu listen to me ya nya moa o Nyankopon e de gold asasa ni o se emfa develop your mind na na adwonum na do me akwadwofo
how
hwe tie se eyade senke bae no ene decide se ensuo no kana no ensuo ne dawo nyina no ye bo ho ban enua enye bibia kama nim asase ne de ye mamrante ntu wona kana titi galamse no an yetu no na ye moise no muni machines o wondo mo nsa ene no mutu ene mu didie ena de oboase fompo atu awie anwe eguru chiri
ba ene ente sa
mebo meba wana ede bae nya chana for betu due ese
ya na ye kofa wo mo bae
se no what is enti senka de nyina ewie betu ye ne a ekebitima momba be se ensa sesa what is na so sanse ya mom kwan emom ye de mo pebia na wa fe se mi pa me ne o mapanyi na nadoa kafin bobo ati sabrin ko dansa wom
o believe say okokodem
awurade Nyankopon enkoko ya che
because say what say ni audio bi say o di nkomo bi sa na
ma fa na uti won mo wo na wo fight for that no what's that draw skeleton say kokofa we ka ho kofo na mo kotu na mo fa mo party wo wi na say busan say na me ka say kwahye me ka say nim say ma sha say
because wo mo ansa man ho ama
me say me ka to wo me ko wardrobe ena me ko mako bonu na wie me de plywood ta ho gisam be ka kire straight odupuna kan na mekoye.
That's right. Me patcho mo join you on Facebook. Ye ne Osofo Kyere Abosom, flag bearer of GUM and the electrical. Na ene okay say minority NDC for our parliament. One more boycott to state of the nation address. Na eno no ojene say.
Me no mo nya adwen wo ho.
Ade na no mo nya.
Me percent common trans no mo tie no.
Okay.
O mo tie na ba bie ehuru no ko mo huru no. O tia se ba bie ye no na mo bon se mama no. Oda enipa de te se de afɛ se obi nya kura na obitima drop bibi sensible kakra bi amwate
okay
enti no ntimi ka se meta no ntimi de mimu anokura no oda se meti we I listen to everybody
okay
meti obia the fi said the okanyira yen kwase asem a I will leave it
okay
the fi said bia the okano me fa bibi mo no ma fa bibi afiri mu
okay Force and Samuel Hayford says GUM all the way 2020 will vote for you. I'm campaigning for you. And Hegeje says please my black eye let him know that he won't speak Chi when he goes for international
it doesn't
assignment.
Matter me
it is a whole to say UN General Assemblies near the adehona ono per se maybe on tisa wo kabro for that is why
I think say I'm a retreat me a trained teacher, me a professional teacher.
Fantastic.
What you make can I say? Me cry a degree. Yeah, I'm not it one more. Now we can't pay. Listen to me. People are not serious.
That's it.
Ya tia me muhei. Uko drew a year, a friend say Dubai. the hotel Dubai no onka brofo oka no krum ekasa oti ameka say Ghana for the visa obi ka brofo no ya de na nado checheche na no ena ye dey look at how Ghanaians are suffering what I say brofo edua bro ana brofo e de mancheba brofo etimi eye geshi ana etimi e de yiba
na de what brofo enya na as president what brofo
enya e de na de ba say
no fan say be a international assignment
enya bosia
international but how can you survive
how can
the economy survive without international
support?
Here is the case about Umpo European Union other people Umpo Ebua support here. There are so many things that international organizations Ebua support here. Health side even you and Krampo Ebua support training health sectors need so many areas. To be a insulated.
So we share ya bra boy born Ghana ha. Yem panyifo no yakwadwo. Omo mpadwuma. Entina amana base omko bosiabo. Busana na to say 2019 busia na oji ya beduru say obedu December no. Owie no sika na wo hene. Akwasa ko twa 2 million 1 million.
Or say or the project.
A dear project on there 2019 yana je ye.
Also the project.
There be 2019 yana oje ye. 2019 e be December ye kura oji yi bi. E dey no dey.
Also the project.
Odi ye project. And the project na was so there.
Project ni bi sa ne oko agric ministry a. Omo pompiska bebre e de agu ho pa.
Over. Other
areas omo pompiska de agu ho ye pa.
Ono say odu ani ehunu.
O say
odu ani ehunu.
Oh, but unse o share a year baby to say education sector. About 67,000 employment to me akoso.
Me pacho me bo.
Any other areas.
Oh yeah.
And moreover, one with the school free senior high.
One kasa no. A free school. A free school fees. And free school near high.
Oh, patch say.
Free school fees.
Oh, the free school fees never.
There be or no. Free school fees no only free education. How can you give somebody a free education when you give the person a prospectus to go and buy things that will cost you the person about 10 million? What's a woman independent free education? No to school fees 2.8 3 million. No man prospectus I cover by 12 million. No akoto a free education. Oh, now we no kasa say no because all your black guy and if tumbia the hunu kwachiri. Say what share
Osofo we dey wa punch ma mani sukura brimi
there be enye punching share say what share
Osofo we dey me wadar ma me hone dey
me dwensai ene matwa say
shout out to Kyere Abosom you see you patch to aso
enti say what share say onua yemfa agudi ntu nchen say uba so beboa ye ne a na nkwara no etima ko school
okay
ne say obi hia ni ba eco school ne okodu school fie ho a okono ne no ma ototon kwa akobe 12 million
okay
enu na jen
okay
ansa no kodu kran bi be si wanya baby antra je se awofo ko han dan
correct baby man
e ma no watrem won school free education die we so asa
and you won't believe in it
I don't believe in it. I believe in free education
and too bad now be in case of that
the be ya say ye be see to isen kwala no ye be ma no free education no ni mum ye be ma sarujuma na doso brakai fe wuti watade ye hyewi en sarujuma microphone en sarujuma ayi e kasem be bi etin computer nya
en technical and vocational
no na be ye mo
no obekọ
mo na be ye mo sa profu kan hia
okay me pacho e bi mpeso mu hu how many companies does he have? How many people has he employed? Any adiade nkofo person who the other side of you so they can really understand.
Me come dey me wi a mon fan toto. Me come dey wi a. O mon fan toto me na do ho. No mo go busa na do say bra mo time a wo ba no. If you kro no nsi ni papa fie no te. Ukoduru Kumasi a. Me see university ho. Official university. Yeah. Official
university.
Me baba ye Herbal Research Institute.
Okay, fantastic.
Now, Mercy Hospital kese Kumasi. What I say? Obukrum.
Okay.
SCTO.
Okay.
And then you rebo ebobe say ebobe 830 na. Obi an fight me yin yin chero makofo hu.
Okay.
The projects that I have.
Okay.
What I say? Obe do obusame say e dance no si no. The whole Ghana hakra eburu ten.
Okay.
And comfort team free.
Okay.
What am I gonna say? Now, me kind.
Nipa do say na why employ.
Oh, nipa say bebre kwa.
Okay.
Ofa bebre kwa. Enkofo gum na si di edidi masi enye aduane di every day bebre kwa.
Is it true say won share staff here?
One abaka bi a chiro da.
Obi send a message say we understand he doesn't pay his staff well.
Wow.
So it be say it is an opportunity for you to clear.
It's never true.
That's right.
No, nobody knows any of my staffs. I cry me if you be.
Okay.
What I say? Meaning say any pe bi kra e wo me yisua. Me man aketua less than even 10 million. I'm telling you the fact. Go ahead.
Workers, no.
I'm telling you.
Obi anywhere woman no
less than 10 million.
Less than 1,000.
No, not at all. What am I gonna say? Not less than that. None of them. Oh, until say obi ti one na oh yeah na do so afan crofo university for I babe koko yeduma e ma 700 Ghana cedis.
I am see no near tempera.
Tempera. Enti tempera nko si da be. Tempera nko si da be. Se si a woni strategy o mafa. Se say strategy o mafa biam so mo san ba be ma ayifo sankofo ese ye be fa ayifo ma kukuku eni adade ye be so makugum ni amom 7 million na edu so atu aba no wie pe no mo sene
say
no betu akabi na one mom call fa 7 million
na say aban de wo car e da wo betua
but what could be sankofo here for university for 7 million e be 3 months in 4 months in betu anaka and now nya we
me aware
excellent me that is what atu aso ma me enti nature say enti say say na da ene ye koso da yen say
okay yemra to say transport industry oba there na be ye ama transport industry
ye pese first of all aban buses ni na e be stop say nya dwuma ma aban bi
metro mass buses
ni na e be first school for free ye be first school for free enkola nketo ni gu kro mu a
decision
I'm telling you it's true
obeda nya sika service obeda nya sika auto fuel
listen to me onyame a wadum ye petrol kuruma no ye be issue
petrol na mutua na mo de kwa amanone
ofa
mutua na mo de kwa amanone na $1
refinery na water mano ye be ye
wom say obsolete tete
asemele wom nim de wom keka na na ko fa okohwe one is obsolete and wom tete engineer for wabonbon e dey na obsolete say adibia na ye develop ye de bibi be ka ho na etima ye se we na enye de bibi she mane ye eti obsolete obi onu be ye
eti umre mu no be pese
ye be refund ya de wo ya
it means oba be see a whole refinery
of me see you are going to maintain
what 4 years
what Kwame Nkrumah give to us
in 4 years
God is able and more than able
let's be realistic
God is able and more than able
obetumi see oil refinery within 4 years
me say God is able and more than able to do everything listen to me ye pa yen koje kapre ban free baby a yebetima buye man kapre nam de ba no eno mo dwande ene tua light bill ene tua water bill ene tua o ja say and na me catch enko for say listen to me hwe na nado so we station one nation address no ko de mienyi to butu nyina to no nyina free kwam mienyi ni nyina free kwam
ada obepese yin free kwam
ye be yin nyina
na obede atumi generate ska
o de ukọ akwa road ready a o de 200 Ghana cedi for the whole cars
the whole cars saying
cars whole country be obi 200 Ghana for the whole year sika be na Ghana ya
eti ubetwam wo to butu no
ye ubetwam na akọ ba bi na
se kwan ne seye
e kwan ne be me che se wo de ko twa road ready no no we twa road to 200 Ghana cedi me pacho ato a friend say circle new town circle mambo bi omtwa butu bi omtwa bibi omtwa be
yeah
kasegu krom enye kasegu kasegu takrade kumase sunwan omunyina obi entwa hwe o
enti uma ye ntua to
ofa e to ye dey ye mfamfiri kwanum ye ko the moment say
na onye sure say ekwan anka betumi afa so de generate sika bi na wo boy gu na enema na pese o ye na I go generate
na de me kan enye no kwa na discover ba mo enne private ya privatize ye ni ankasa to no eje no ye de ama party for enne eji to no no mu wi a o mate o mo de no de bia aba government wo
okay
ye betwam
That's right.
What I say, you betwam. The only thing is say, you boot doing left free. You free over here. After you say, Oko license office, Oko license car. Yes, road 2. A be a 1.5. And cover the whole cars. What I say, and cover the whole cars in the country. It is a KBO country, will be a Kokucha in the road 2. No child road 2, no, a better be a 200 Ganasi. Jessica Ibiano.
Fantastic. Hey guy, AJ says, Mr. Guma, I want to be part of your campaign team. Oh, where can I go? Ubisa, Ghana politics. Black Eye. It will not be easy. 2020, and it will not be easy. Matthias, messages. Sabia Jan says they will follow you, but when it gets to voting time, they will vote for MPP or NDC.
It's not true.
Okay, and then your film hype. Equia Enima says he is talking a lot of sense, but he can join MPP and wait for another 4 years.
Mama.
We recently had Cash for seat. Is he still going to take consultation before seeing him?
At where?
Obisa says a Ghana for Babeshwa, and it's some to a consultation fee now.
Ghana for Babeshwa,
because onu taking it from okay, say a MPP by, you know. Okay, so I'm organizing program beer. Now, yes, open so Tanaben or Mampenia.
Oh, no. So, Babetta Bomampany, Obetam and Yanko Pocret and Jerry Treska. Okay,
Evans Japan says, are you the host or government spokesperson?
You saw when you work as a campaign.
Once am I?
But there be at the end they were positive now.
Only Jesus can save. Joe Dostes can say, hey, incoming president, who can blast like this? And Alomas says, if okay, well, bro, for me to me. You are trying to teach. Why do you become a pastor? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Say no. Say Osofo no. Wejai.
And yes,
to serve as the president of Ghana.
I'm serving God in the capacity as a leader in Ghana.
Fantastic. Hey, punchline. Wow. So. O church at a Jumana na oyeno say no say Ghana for to abama na no be relegating kakra na
o relegate say e Juma ko afa ne mbo ekese be meka se bi bedu ba bia
okay
so what make na say afa ne nipa nyina beti menka afa nipa nyina be fa me no mu nsam ne nim die ne nyansa nyame de amam de aye adwuma na afa yetima ko enim
okay.
What you make us say?
And Jennifer Amankwano says Chinese uses language, their language translators on international summits. So they wokano. Okay, Matthias here, sister Matthias here. Why? Baba Sari says yes. What he's saying is true. There is no free education because I sent my sister to school last term. The items I bought was 1,200 Ghana cedis.
Excellent.
So he's right. Comfort Boatman says when you have a platform, don't criticize others, but instead state your policies. Whatever I think say no commodity DB pa. 4 more for Nana, the great man. Brakufina can say Massa, please. Even in America, we pay for other stuff, even though we have free education till some level of college. And a Ruby Ajiman Ede Ebe, please ask him for me what he will do for Achimhoda Ishmael and ABC. Hey, Metro Mass buses pa and Odeba Beye and Kwada school buses. Can you and Ayekufi Abisa ni say Black? Ask him if he will let his ministers swear with Tigari instead of Bible, because it looks like people don't fear the Bible or the Quran. Speak to this for me.
Speaker, one more baby ministers.
Yes.
Some catch some medical to just say ministers no go 70. Na omba bejina hwa they're going to affirm. Not swear.
Okay.
They will affirm.
Okay.
They believe that they can affirm. And so affirmation is the most important thing. You see? So if I believe in this thing, it should affirm the whatever he believes. Adibia office wo gidie no. It's only no karentam.
Okay.
No nka. Yam for so be man ko kan bibi.
Okay.
Onyina mu no nkata.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Okay, because on only reason the buy no feel say Abosom no who you sue or dia nipa no deep on a penny and kinkre. I think that is the angle from where the person is coming from.
I'm so only believe no. Affirmation is what we are going to apply.
Okay.
And uni mami me am sure dey kakra wo menua. Se wo hwe free port I see pese de ba no. Togo womo any diamond, ye ni gold, ye ni hwe ye be free port. Ghana ye be free port no to wa. E bitima boa ma nipa e benya adwuma ye no edoso. 2 isika sem de bekosoro. Isanse obi obabia or the dollar na eba obesesa cedi no de akwakoye wi obeto aduane di obesi ebeboa. 2 obi bia wo yakosi broni bia we foreigner waji asase na wo to gold and a diamond ye be suspend wo nyina. Ghanaians are going to do it. One time hotel one try ye ba discount e ba manato.
Okay,
we no
go no site ho.
No way. They don't have that very right. So betima call yasa so okutu akutwa timber. Okay,
I mean our Pogastis diaba or say police for monthly salary no. Police for monthly salary e dey na obetumi aye e dey afa ho.
Police monthly salary ye can say ye betuma transfer say betumi adjust na fi no ye be ma on baby on bet any bebie bank e dey ma police service.
Oh really?
Yeah, e be bank ye wo forces no e be bank ma on.
Forces ni
farmers. Yes, and a farmers e be your bank. And
that's a farmers do more about ADB say ADB
atamenake we bank ga ukoko jebosia movement o jebosia na yete wo.
Because we say agri sector no the risk is high.
Mebo here we are regulate bank to the send say ye de sika emakuani say okoko duade a you say untimi duade bosom emetua say it at least about 3 months grace have to be given to the person.
Okay,
the same thing applies to every bank in the country. Obi obeji sika bi owu bia no a grace period of a month or 2 have to be given to the person.
Okay, that's any panel to me
want to be say
when to me and repay
no want to me repay say una okwohwe nyemem nemo ye hyemra to say obi bia na obeji bank bosia no at least 1 month grace fache no non fam prepare no ne bank uko duro sesi ambrakai uko ko jebosia na de kra na ma wa buruchiri bosom nso no na ye gi interest ebre no man kwa medu ye no na ye gi interest. It's madness
because sika na ye adwuma say
no enye adwuma
because no bank no obi sika no akwaji o dey yes it is our 1 month na percent na ho na emfa sa aka because nipa no dey ni sika ba ho no ono 1 month no calculate ni interest o
akromfo bi no che bank for. Listen to me, Mami.
But you are going to work with them.
Oh, I'm going to work with them, but those who are going to do the thing efficiently, is that we are going to work with them.
That's right.
If your banks,
okay.
Would you for sick bracket? Would you for 20 million? Koto the kohe year, the babeto so 1 year. Would you 20 million koto so 1 year kohe the beto so? Will be koji 20 million ne? Within 3 months. Interest interest ketwa.
Osofo Kyere Abosom.
Minua.
Are you corrupt?
No. It's your friend, a master of this thing. Media corruption, they mean pekora.
It's your friend, master of the.
It me pese unim. Me pese se me baby dura. Sa constitution ni mabi ni emfa we nkoko tini ade ade nyina no. You be change no.
It is a minister bi ana obi a wo choose so nya adwuma bi. O ti say corruption bi abeba no ade na obeye.
You be che no.
Obeche no.
You be che no.
Ono so na ebu a wo ma wo ye campaign be bi you.
You be che no.
Na say politics e wo hia dom.
Asembe na ken. Ofie. Ye politics asem ye yo. Ye bebu ye man no. Ye man nchichiri ya. Ya tonsuom. O man ye butu. O man kwati team. Emranti go abonten yasem ketwa. Sometimes when you are moving in the traffic, you look at the people that are running after cars in here and there. You begin to cry.
Even Odiayan Kwachi Kwajolu Haya Fiesta Royal.
Excellent.
Say traffic light is so red.
Excellent.
One more ton, you one kind crab to me a kind pay 200. Only our Fiesta Royal Hong Kong went in. I not me chamo Hayana. Yes, I am a ya. Because they are strong and energetic people. Because companies will want come to me a quiet Juma pay to me dear boy.
Meanwhile,
I say Oponglo, but could be or Chaka or the idea Bobo say Kabako Nini break. Eti o yifa hona legon or the boy quadano, I can't call see here ready me. Or she from say one Casabiu.
Jesus Christ. Look at all this. If you look on this and then you see medication and cray baby gum omom gum that den adwuma nye
also patro say why na ye oranimate
I feel ne de baba na supposed to be
yet who be say obi nim na be
oh dey be obi nim dey na obi okay David offer fatun chain any poor bear running mate on some catches a zongo kokosono and your cassie pe a zongo for no and I say imam
okay
eti nano me call chief imam hono or me call the bedroom or me call tran and passo di nkomo and o catch me say or shame boss say obeku nyame anim ne nipa papa nipa wotima no odo braka hwe di ntia udi traffic na hu kofa na ye o ya na say we krasi ni what krasi ache what pain? What I say? Yeah. You have suffered before. Yeah. What I say? Yeah. Yeah. You're sitting contumely. Sir. You're sitting contumely, and you're the school. Me go school. Me boy PC. That are not rubber bag in the world. Ne paper bag. Me boy PC. Na me di refua. Any amenti. Na me di equip. Ma tete e di ashe ho. Na me di share me baby drew school was school wa. Na me di ashe wuram bush. What you make us say? Me di share bush. Ye mo break a member no. Na ntete ayema.
That's
but we na dey say wiem say be entete be film na be die ya brepen enye won no magyanom e be di man so toto dan e wa bruchire toto dan e wa ha uta say yes ya wo tu sie so antente ye sir enti timma
okay na say no ye hwe banking sector we am final question to you. Minyanke bedi nkomo no more because some was here can areas was here touch no.
Ye beba
edoso ankasa ye be invite no wasan.
Dey say emrante egu ano mo ho tinti na man buy nka. Man for twimi ha me nko.
No cry because you share that who say we grant interview sir. Enye is a cry. Say ye share customers of a year some of the defunct financial institutions there one person just wa musika koka kam ni ade no say 2020 is a Ghana for to abamawa wo mo be wo mo den and men's good for so be wo mo den
ye be call one odi sedwuma no ojapade ahodo no ye be nhwemu e be no ye mfa metudwa ye be nhwemu frechiri
okay
akomua wo so bo call wo ojapade so ndi na da so what I say? Silpa Connie, you say we na Japadi na enye nidi na daso no obi nidi na daso ani enye hu se na nipa kwa ne dia no ene nipa kro no ya sofa se de nyina mbo wa begire ho we be kire konfa so nya na Japadi what I say? E be hwemu a se bi betimi atonton na Japadi no ne yatim de tutu omoka esan se eye how ifitete se ye gumang bebre ama bebre ho akamu hu hia men's good for enkon komonto yem esan se nim se de tie bia na aba mu panyifo no munya bidi etina yomo ye no moye
okay
enti sanke masa
enti se wo ba
oh wo fa ye fancy
be make sure se bibia
betuto na
kwetimi akọ na kwet
betuto na
kwet na me patcha mo national office we hin
ya national office wo odoko main road Kanishi main road no ho na abro service wo no before odoko traffic light on senifa so na national office no enti obi o pese o hwe bia obehu ye ho na ho number numbers so 3 020 72525
okay
020 7772626
okay
020 7772727
okay no cresa wonje bible ndi
meji bible di ne mo me say tumi bi anim
adentra
ne nkra tumi say krata
say
tumi na ti nipa mu ana asem ti ye tro ho asem gu krata so a ekura tumi ye tro ho asem egu krata so tumi bi wo no tumi nim tumi ni ti nipa mu
okay
we ye bible ye no ma bi ensem bi a no ma nkofo bi ye ene ye tro to ho
okay
o ja say ene ye sie nkenken hunu se bibi sesi ho na esie ne mum no nyame tumi no eti nipa mu o ja say enti wona ye ena bible say ade na onka say nyankopon say nyame oti mu no o say ne mum ena bible say ena kira bible say ye di bible say na chi fititi bisi nde ye hunu hwe ekire se esese ye ma hu a yesu ka se me kọ de wo ba no obetre mu
ba o use bible di
me use bible
e di preach
me di preach
okay
it's just like a history book
but bible no nya word
bible no and obi trust him to as a word
okay
o tro the cross a word word say word actually asem ni actually
na adequate me be say because them nim say mfiti ase no na asem no wo ho na asem no ni nyankopon me nim say asem no na ɛwɔ Bible ni mu no
ɛsɛ asɛm no wɔ hɔ na asɛm no Nyankopɔn na asɛm no Nyankopɔn na ɛda Bible no Nyankopɔn so wɔ honhom wo kyɛ sɛ ɛna nipa trase ne watwerɛ no de aba enti no
me enjoy conversation too much me pacho yempe time yes and share
I'm telling you
because say oh your campaign na your months kakra o yedi mu
aha de time bi am free
yempe time yes meeting go conversation e dan
time bi am free bi am
conversation by then so punch me am me hwimu nyina fi mu jama me manage this yo Osofo Kyere Abosom da wase
okay da me no kase omie kwa ma pa me da sipi
Omani share ya majo em makwaba. Ede ba Paul